Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome to our vlog again. And I just want to share something that happened to me earlier. I woke up like 5:30 in the morning and I was planning to go for a run and also gym. Pero kalaan gid sang pamatsyag ko pagbugtaw ko mga 5 sang aga. And nagtulog na lang ako liwat. Tapos na-feel ko while I'm sleeping nga ginasumbag ko ng pader and also nga ginasip ako ng akon nga maleta. Excuse my eyes since bago lang ako liwat kabugtaw. But guys, I just wanna remind you that this vlog is gonna be our episode 2. So, see you in a bit for nothing, wala lang. For our just ordinary day of my life. See you. Hi, so nagluto lang pala ako ng egg, ng rice, and gumawa lang ako ng coffee. Here, let me show you guys. Here. 2 eggs and a coffee. And kakain lang ako. Tsaka pupunta ako ng school for something, and then I don't know kung ano na mangyayari after, since mamaya pa akong hapon mag-jogging and also mag-gym. So kita-kits na lang later guys. So hello everyone, paalis na ako and I'm just gonna take out trash here and I'll go for a run na tsaka mag-gym. Gani ka itlog tayo, friend? Dua ka itlog? Oo. Hi guys, so kakatapos ko lang maligo after a long run and also sa pag-gym, and gusto ko na samahan niyo ako sa paggawa ng dinner ko ngayong gabi. And by the way, nag-start na pala ako magsaing before ako maligo para after ko maligo is konting oras na lang yung hihintayin ko sa pagsaing. Then makakapagluto na ako ng dinner na. Let's go. So as you can see here guys, nahugasan na yung pechay natin. And inisa-isa ko na din sila before ako maligo para ngayon hihiwain na lang natin. And we have 2 eggs. I-scramble natin. Hindi ko pala siya nilagyan ng seasonings dahil iluluto natin kasama yung pechay. So guys, it's already 5:30 in the morning and kung naririnig niyan, hindi pa rin ako nakakatulog. And yung gagawin ko na lang is bibili na lang ako sa labas ng pandesal and magme-make na lang ako ng coffee, then aakyat ako sa rooftop dahil mag-edit na lang ako ng video. Look at this guys. Another page written, another step forward. This is Jeremy Behador Diaries, and I'll see you on the next chapter.